Geobyte.
Dear students, now let us decide the mathematical relation for physical work with variable force or non-uniform force. Okay, non-uniform force means or variable force means the force is the function of displacement. Force is the function of displacement means force is depending on force depends on force depends on displacement. Force depends on displacement. It is like this. If I take the force versus the displacement, the right graph may be appearing like this. That means force is depending on the right displacement. Let us take the starting point where the displacement is S1. The final point displacement vector is S2. Okay, let us consider a small elemental strip. This is a small elemental strip. That small elemental strip area is representing the work done by force for the small displacement ds dash, because area below the force versus displacement curve is giving the physical work. Okay, from that I can write that the the small work for the displacement of ds for the displacement of ds bar, I can write that dw is equal to f bar dot ds bar. That is the small work. For getting the total work, let me write that point. To get total work, to get total work upon integration and apply the limits from initial state to final state. So integral, let me write it clearly. It can be written as integral 1 to 2 dw equal to integral f bar dot ds bar. Since here force is depending on the displacement, here I can write S1 to S2. Okay. Let us take another slide. Here integral dw I can write as w equal to integral S1 to S2 f bar dot ds bar. Okay. You know, force is the vector quantity. Since force is a vector quantity, it can be written in rectangular components. This f bar equal to fx I cap plus fy j cap plus fz K cap. Similarly, ds bar I can write as dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Then the work equal to work equal to, so you multiply with I cap quantity with I cap quantity, similarly j cap quantity with j cap quantity, and k cap quantity with k cap quantity. These are the right rules we have decided or we have discussed clearly with the concept of vectors. So work equal to integral, right, fx dx x1 to x2 plus integral fy dy limits from y1 to y2 plus integral fz dz, apply the limits from z1 to z2. That is how you can decide the work with variable force. This is the mathematical formula for deciding the work with variable force or non-uniform force. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.